Takeda's culture makes me feel like I am part of a family.
I think we work together more than we ever had before.
I feel really lucky to be part of such a great community.
I've had a great career and I'm very proud to work here at Takeda.
I'm surrounded by supportive coworkers and leaders,
clinicians, engineers, and scientists from all over the world
to ultimately serve more patients.
We should all be super proud to be a part of that.
I'm incredibly proud to work for a company that puts so much emphasis on D&I.
Creating an inclusive culture, one that fosters belonging.
The unity within our community is key,
because it amplifies our collective voice, driving progress and fostering acceptance.
In that way, we can create bigger impact, share knowledge, and spread the sense of community.
I love working for Takeda because they provide a great work-life balance for employees.
There's a flexible work arrangement, and I feel truly supported.
And they provide so many opportunities to grow your career with the company,
where every team member feels encouraged to continuously improve.
You can apply to be part of a rotation in a different department.
Based on your interests, skills, and experience.
So you get a chance to try something new.
You can learn so many facets of the business and contribute in many different ways.
Takeda really cares about our emotional well-being.
It's truly remarkable, and I think that's something that's very specific and unique about this company.
It truly is making a difference.
We are doing something great, and it's just going to get better.